Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on beta and gamma function. Evaluate integral from 0 to 1 of x cube multiplied by 1 minus root of x bracket raised to 3 and its integration with respect to x. Beta of mn is equals to integral from 0 to 1 some x raised to m minus 1 and 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. We can convert this integral to this form as limits are 0 to 1. Yes, we have limit 0 to 1. Some x raised to n minus 1, we have here x raised to 3 and multiply by 1 minus x raised to n minus 1, that type of term. And to convert this, let consider that integral as I, integral from 0 to 1 x cube 1 minus root x raised to 3 dx as equation 1. This I have to convert in the form of 1 minus x raised to n minus 1, and for that we substitute root x as some t. Differentiating, squaring both sides, it gives you x is equal to t square. Squaring both sides, we get x is equal to t square. Then differentiating it with respect to x, we get dx is equal to 2t dt. And new limits for x is equal to 0, we get t is equal to, when x is 0, we get t square equal to 0, means t equals to 0. And for x is equal to 1, we get t is equal to root of 1, root 1 as 1. Therefore, limit remains the same. Substituting this information in equation 1, therefore that equation 1 becomes integral from 0 to 1, no change. X cube, x is t square and its cube, 1 minus root x, but root x is nothing but t, and raised to 3, and dx is 2t dt. Okay, constant term I can take outside the integral sign, therefore it is 2 times integral from 0 to 1 t raised to 2 raised to 3, means it becomes t raised to 6, and one more t, therefore it is t raised to 7, and 1 minus t cube. Then we try to convert in the form of definition of beta function by rewriting it. Therefore this 7 I can write down as in the form of m minus 1. Therefore it is 2 times integral from 0 to 1 t raised to 7, we can write down as 8 minus 1, add 1, subtract 1, 7 plus 1 we get 8, and minus 1, so that original value remains as it is, no change, only form I am changing. And 1 minus t raised to 3 we can write down as 4 minus 1. Okay, and then this is nothing but 2 times x raised to m minus 1, 1 minus x raised to n minus 1, limit 0 to 1 is the definition of beta function. Therefore it becomes beta of 8, 4. And then to obtain the value of beta, we take the help of the relation between beta and gamma function. That relation is 2, I will keep as it is. Beta of mn, it is, I will write down that here, beta of mn as gamma m, gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Using this relation, we get it, I can write down as 7 plus 1, gamma 4, that I can write down as 3 plus 1, and divided by gamma of sum of these two, that is 12. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 I can write down as 11 plus 1. Okay, and therefore it is equals to 2 times. We know the property of gamma function, gamma n plus 1, when it is positive integer, its value is n factorial. If n is positive integer, if n is positive integer, and therefore applying this property, we can determine the value of gamma 7 plus 1. Here n is 7, positive integer, and therefore its value is 7 factorial. Gamma 3 plus 1, its value is 3 factorial, and gamma 11 plus 1, its value is 11 factorial. Then we have to simplify it. I will keep that 2 as it is, no change. Uh, 7 factorial I will rewrite right as it is, no change. The value of 3 factorial is 6 into 6 and divided by 11 factorial. Using the property of factorial, this 11 factorial I can rewrite as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. So that this 7 factorial get cancelled with 7 factorial. 6, the simplification, we get the value as 1 upon 660. Answer or the value of that definite integral obtained by converting that integral in the form of definition of beta function, and then using the substitution we get that beta form, and then applying this relation between beta and gamma, we try to get the value of that beta function. One more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to get a notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you.